Okay, so you want to find out the way in which you can control the color of this over here. And normally what you would do is you would do that through the dashboard, and you'd go into the calendar settings and change it in there. But that won't work right now, and the reason it won't work is because it's already been set specifically through CSS. And so we can click on inspect here, and what we would ordinarily do is we'd say, well, let's hover over that because it's coming when we hover over it, right? But it's not working in that way, and so then the natural place to go would be to say, oh, let's hover over that, but we don't get anything. And you can click on all these other ones and they won't do anything, and if you click on hover on anything else it won't do anything. So then let's just keep looking though, and then we see down here, oh okay, well what's this down here? We got the words that we have in that spot, so it's at 8 a.m. coffee and fellowship. That's from this right here, isn't it? So then we see that we have this right here, and it's saying that it needs to be red. Well, that's our color. Let's check it out to make sure that's what it is that's controlling it. And so we can make it a color that's very noticeable. It was red before. We hover over it now it's a fuchsia color. And so we know that we have found the source of our problem. And so in here, then it's been marked. And so then we will take timely A and timely A hover, and we delete them. And then they're going to be controlled, instead of from there, they're going to be controlled through what is happening already from these settings that came from within the plugin. And so now we look at it, and now it's all normal, and everything's a-okay. And then what we would do then is take our style.css, copy it all, and we would save it within the cPanel or with an FTP connection, and then everything would be good to go. And that should cover the basic way to be able to do it. And yeah, that's all we're going to cover right now at this moment. But mainly it's just exploring, poking around, seeing what it is, trying to look for something that gives you a clue. It's not always going to be totally obvious. A lot of times it is, but not every single time. And in this case, it's something that's not too hard. And that works like that. That'll be okay. All right. Let us know if you have any questions.